Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, revamped sulfuric acid storage tank commissioned at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Intensive sanitization by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant continues to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant reconditions descaling pump assembly of hot strip mill.
Super Speciality Hospital of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, made ready for treatment of critically ill COVID patients. And hand sanitization reinforced in SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant.
Now the news in detail. The grit and determination of the committed team of captive power plants has not only brought about substantial savings for the plant but also enhanced the equipment availability. On 19th April, the sulfuric acid storage tank and associated auxiliaries were commissioned by the CPP3 team, which was inaugurated by Mr. P. Lenka, Senior Technician PBS, in the presence of Mr. B. Sunil Kartha, CGM Power, and other senior officers and employees of the department. The entire project was the in-house endeavor of the CPP3 collective. It is worth mentioning here that the sulfuric acid storage tank of 30-ton capacity was made functional, utilizing in-house resources by a motivated and dedicated team of PBS led by Mr. P. Lenka. This has resulted in direct savings of Rs 8 lakhs and will enable huge savings due to less consumption of steam, which can be gainfully utilized for power generation. The total job was executed under the leadership of Mr. C.K. Sinha, manager, under the guidance of Mr. S.S. Sistla, DGM, PBS, and was safely completed under the supervision of Mr. S.L. Das, GM, CPP1. The reconditioning and revamping job that necessitated a lot of creativity and expertise proves the strong commitment of the Power Blowing Station Collective to make a meaningful contribution to the growth and development of the plant. Disinfection drive by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has intensified for preventing the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. Special safety precautions are taken to keep the CISF Jawans safe and secure, on whom lies the onus of industrial security. Sanitization is carried out on a regular basis at the barracks. On 23rd April, the Public Health Unit of Town Engineering Department of RSP disinfected the vehicles and weapons and equipments at CISF Barrack near Bisra Chowk. The 33 kV power station at Sector 6 was also sanitized. Efforts are being made to see that all important installations, both at the plant and outside in the township, are also sanitized to ensure safety of the workers working in these areas. Care is taken to see that the workers carrying out the disinfectant drive are fully protected and secured by wearing protective gears such as rubber boots, heavy-duty gloves and triple-layered masks. The committed employees of Repair Shop Mechanical of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP have successfully repaired and reconditioned the high-pressure descaling pumps of hot strip mill. This enterprising venture has resulted in direct financial saving of Rs 65 lakhs for the company. It may be noted that 4 high-pressure descaling pumps are installed in hot strip mill, out of which 2 pumps run continuously to meet production of HR coil and 2 pumps are kept as standby. In January 2021, Pump 1 of KSB make started malfunctioning and did not develop desired pressure. The repair and reconditioning of pump assembly had never been taken up earlier in RSP. The Repair Shop Mechanical Collective took up the challenge of repairing the pump in-house with the available resources. While dismantling the existing pump assembly, the main shaft was found broken and not fit for use. Drawing of shaft was modified as per sample and an alloy steel shaft was developed in RSM as per the drawing, maintaining all dimensions with accuracy. 2 damaged impellers were made at structural and fabrication shop and machined in RSM. Gland sleeve bushes were undercut, built up and machined according to required sizes. Before making the assembly ready for dynamic balancing, new keyway was machined at 180 degree to the damaged keyway of balancing piston. Many other modifications and improvements were also done during assembly that was carried out in hydraulic section of RSM. Finally, arrangements were done in-house to test the descaling pump assembly and testing was done successfully. It is worth mentioning that the jobs that are involved a lot of machining work could be completed well in time in spite of the prevailing trying times with respect to the COVID-19. Earlier, also the Repair Shop Mechanical Collective had been instrumental in repairing and reconditioning many critical equipment such as mud gun boom assemblies, left hand and right hand for blast furnace 1, classifiers, hydro motors, in-bar pumps of blast furnace 4 and 5, drive pulley assemblies of MCC and exciter, coke and sinter side assemblies of blast furnace 5. Disinfection drive by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has intensified for preventing the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. On 23rd April, the team from Civil Engineering Department disinfected the gates across the plant, ensuring safety of the employees and all who enter the premises, including the CISF personnel who are posted at the gates round the clock. Provision of hand sanitization at all entry points and office entrances continues as a safety precaution. In addition to this, daily mopping with disinfectants is being organized in the offices. Frequently touched areas and articles like tabletops, chairs, chair handles, pen stands, computers, keyboards, mouse pads, printers, sanitizer dispensers, intercom equipments, etc. are also being cleaned with disinfectants on a daily basis. Besides, individual departments and employees are also taking every possible precaution like regular hand washing, social distancing and use of masks in accordance with the workplace advisory.
Giving a boost to the COVID treatment facilities of this region, the Super Specialty Hospital of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been formally made ready for the treatment of critically ill patients from 24th April 2021. It is worth mentioning here that, keeping in view the surge in the COVID positive cases in the region, Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, had instructed to use the SAIL Super Specialty Hospital at Rourkela as a 60 ICU bed COVID treatment facility. The local district authority had also sent a request for utilizing the ICU facilities of the Super Specialty Hospital for treatment of COVID patients. Accordingly, the infrastructure and other facilities of the hospital were made ready swiftly with the help of the district administration. The cardio emergency and neuro emergency facilities have been converted to ICUs, while other equipments and rooms have been aligned accordingly. CT scan and X-ray facilities have also been made ready. With the availability of the portable X-ray machines, patients would not have to be moved from their beds for X-raying. The district administration has provided the doctors and other manpower, including hospital manager, for running the setup. Mr. Deepak Chattarath, CEO RSP, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED Hospital Administration RSP, Ms. Aboli Sunil Naravane, ADM Rourkela, Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in charge, Dr. N.P. Sahu, CMO, Mr. Swaroop Panigrahi, CGM Hospital Administration, and other senior officers of RSP and district administration visited the super specialty hospital and took stock of the COVID care facilities. It is worth mentioning here that as per the instructions of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, the number of ventilators of the hospital will be augmented to 100 very soon, which will further enhance treatment facilities for the critical patients. SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, has been making elaborate arrangements for safeguarding its employees from the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Hand sanitization has been ensured at all the entry points of the plant. Persons with sanitizers have been deployed at all gates to sanitize the hands of people entering the plant. Wearing of masks has also been made mandatory for getting inside the plant premises. Fines are being imposed on violation of the COVID-appropriate behaviors to help the employees get habituated to the COVID-safe practices. Intense sanitization of the gates and marketplaces are also being carried out to keep a check on susceptible places of infection that witness huge footfalls. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintain social distance and avoid crowded places as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.